Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find hidden files and folders on your PC. Sometimes there are files that you probably have or some documents you have in your PC that you no longer know where they are, but you are sure that they are on your PC. What you can do, I'm going to give you an instance. Here, there are three files that I call file 1, file 2, file 3. I knew that I had them in this documents folder, but where are they? What you need to do is to open the folder where the files should be. You click on view. This is very important. Sometimes when you open your folder, it's usually there. The tab is usually at home. But what you need to do is to click on view. Then you look for where it says hidden items. Just click on it. Just tick that box. You see my folder just got even bigger. Now you can see that the three files that I had that I thought I lost. If I click hidden items again, they are gone. This is how you can easily find any files or folders that you do no longer know where they are. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and like my video.